My brother and my sisters, and when I adore this now, a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicate. Any other Laminatu na a carbon copy. As soon as I can see this morning, I did a little bungalow. I decided to do the short clip. My sisters and my brothers, they do ya at the table they are nabi beguna. One way they pass without wedding pictures from each WhatsApp group to another at the beguna in the name of God. Me your WhatsApp number. We not send again. A big. Salon people they will left for celebrate. When bad team meet people they will left for celebrate. Make I tell us one thing. We get for say the facts. That lady we married to that man. I not sabiam. I not sabi the man. I not sabi the girl. Even the one with in America na ya. I not sabiam. But we not let we talk to. That lady within Africa, within a saloon. Not to entire Europe and that man in West the drag and the care and go say can go marry me or left you woman. No, you not one. So do you at the big? The one the way they pass with them pictures then day. And I say for other group them over me on WhatsApp number at the big in the name of God. Men nobody no send and Una kisana na any kind group on for send them. But me on personal WhatsApp number. Men nobody no send and that lady day, what are they when no one married? You me sister where they watch this tape. You me brother where they watch this tape. Especially with the woman them. Now we they work out with them pictures and then now we left for spread bad news. What are they when no one married? Whose woman they when man they come on overseas, come on America, come on London, come on Germany, come on Canada, go. Say are they come for come married you ever say no married me. Let's call a spade a spade. When you talk about the dog, you talk about the bone. What in that man do? The man not do well. He not try at all. If you want to do that one day, even if you don't divorce the woman, if you don't left the woman, but the game where he play the woman, he come out right inside the woman in us. Go na tongue do the thing and they he wrong. He not do well at all. If you not the past with pictures, now in your picture una for the past with. My sisters, why make we left for break up each other? Why make we left for break each other? We na queens them at the beguna in the name of God. Where bad thing meet una comping. Woman, una low we left for the celebrates. Low we celebrate where good thing happen. Not when bad thing happen. WhatsApp now, it don't bad past Facebook. WhatsApp, a bad past Facebook. So at the beguna in the name of God, una left for the past them pictures then ya so around even the cartoon the lady. It no nice. The only thing we will get for do now, una we sabi this woman within America na ya, una get for talk to her, encourage them, and pray for them. Because then can't see her, so trust me, it can make woman go lay down in a wake again, he left and sleep. Disappointment can make woman go lay down in no wake again, he left and sleep. Frustration. Una know what's in a girl go through right now? What we don't know they pass with the pictures there. Down there know the help situation. And they tell una one thing. I wish I be Sabida lady they say the lady de Virginia. I be for the call them, encourage them, and talk to them. So una we Sabida lady where the Virginia at the beguna in the name of God, my sisters. Instead of una they walk around without wedding pictures then they, una call this married woman, lo una they encourage them, talk to them, and pray for them. Salon people that we left for celebrate bad thing. We left for celebrate bad thing. What would they pass with them pictures then they from one group to another, so from one phone number, one WhatsApp number to another? You know the help situation. You know the help. Because that poor lady where they go married, he says say one for married, not to end other man they say come married me. Left you with and come married me. Let's call a spade a spade. Most of una they that luck like me to not trust me. Una go make good use of the opportunity. So now una left for the past with them pictures then they. Hey me, I not sabi the none. The woman where naya are not sabiam. The woman where Africa are not sabiam. The man himself are not sabiam. But when you talk about the dog, you talk about the bone. Let's call it spade a spade. My sisters, and now we get a habit say with the woman there. Now we sabi for spread bad news, but we come to woman. My sisters, make a tell una one thing. We not queens them. Let we left for break each other. If we're not able for build up each other, let we not break up, let we not break each other down. At the beguna in the name of God. Wuna we sabi that woman within a year. Wuna we call her and talk to her and pray for her. That poor lady in Africa, not to enter Europe na that man in ways. But guys, now the man in picture no owner for the workouts. Now the man no owner for the cartoon. But I see people in the cartoon, the poor girl. I don't know the reason why. But I mean, hey, we all na woman them. We all want them to marry those. Who's woman the way man they come over see go say, I want to marry you. We go say no marry me. No woman or the other woman they are not seeing it. So my sisters are the beguna in the name of God. That particular pictures then day una left for work around. Mimi your WhatsApp number. Anybody who send a picture there now, trust me, I will pull an ado. Because I don't want to be part of it. And a woman and they do the thing and day. So my sisters and three and a beg at the beguna. Una left for the cartoon that poor girl. That girl not to enter up na that man in Wested Gag and go take a marry the meal. That man then take into left foot to go. He played this one also. He play ungrateful. But una know where until Kama is a beach. Kama, he not get GPS. But any Southside bad thing, they trust me, he able reach me. Now one thing panande wa le camper. I left Kama. Kama is a beach. He not get GPS. But any Southside bad thing, they trust me. He reach the Jinjin. You go wonder how we manage candy. Yes. So when I left for the worker with that poor girl in picture, the only thing we wanna get for do now for talk to that woman within America now, and they pray for her. And they pray for them. Woman, we left for the break each other up, down. We, you know, nice. We are queens. We need for build each other up, not for break each other down. Lord, we left them here. At the Beguna in the name of God, my sisters. This is a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminatu, na a carbon copy. I love her, and also when I love me more. My sisters, at the Beguna again, in the name of God, when I left for pass with them pictures, then they around. If you don't pass around, guess what? When I work out with the man in your picture. But when I not put that here, one pictures there, do you at the Beguna? Now we face the facts. Nobody know the way man go say, can't sit down and so I married you. Man go say, no married me. No. Everybody want for better. So say, don't go tell that girl themselves, you know, get away from America. You know, get woman in America. Most of me brothers, the way they come out, when they go Africa, then they deny their whole family. Then they deny them wealth and then picking them. Who knows? Something like that don't happen. Something like that don't happen. So why make now for the past the cartoon, the poya? When something in there innocent, something you not get a clue of what's in there even go on. Something that man don't like, because me brothers then get PhD in line. Then can lie with a much dry. American and then say what person in the line name look in the eye. But trust me, in our campus Sierra Leone. Sierra Leone, would they look you right inside you, will lie to you. Yes. So do you want to let for passing pictures and they around? Are they big? If I pass picture around, when I pass the man in your picture around, like I said, I don't know them all. I don't know the woman where they married though. My person not go say Lamina to something sabi that girl. No, I no sabiam. The man, I no sabiam. The woman of Virginia, I no sabiam. So do you at the baby now left for passing pictures and they around? Sierra Leoneans there, we left for spread bad news. We left for spread bad news. If you know the cartoon the man. The man they play that poor girl now so ugly. He play ugly. So when I was sabi the woman within America na ya, what you for to do? When I go to call them and pray for them. Because woman right now that courage they need. And need somebody that with the courage and when they talk, God talk to them. And people that way they pray for them. Because right now, the way in arts go there, now in God no man they know. What's in that woman they go through right now. At the beg na duya, this is a beautiful sister, Laminatu Sanko, the one and only, the original, no duplicates. Any other Laminatu, na a carbon copy. As soon as I can see, I then I'm a little bungalow, I decide for do the short clip this morning. So duya, na beg at the beg na my sisters and my brothers, when I left for pass with them pictures and they around, when I deal with the man in safe, when I deal with the man. That poor girl not tie open that man in West like monkey they get and carry and go. I love her and I know so when I love me more. When I tata for now. I know sabi the no.